Hi guys, welcome back to Wanna Be a Home. If you're new, my name is Lillian. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the process of me making over our second living room. This is our game room that we use as a second living room because we kind of spend more time upstairs. And I've been working from home due to the COVID, and I just wanted a space that was more soothing and relaxing when it comes to me working and staying at home. And I thought that I would show you guys how I'm doing this. But before we get into the video, if you're looking for a channel that's going to ensure that your true self is being reflected in your decor and your lifestyle, then this is the channel for you. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And now that you've subscribed to the channel, let's get into the video. This is the before of my this is the before of this living room. It's very plain, nothing on the wall. The TV is just sitting with that ugly TV stand, and this couch that I really don't like, but I got it because my kids, I know they were going to be playing here a lot, and I didn't want to spend that much money on a couch that they're going to destroy. So I went ahead and put this frame I got from Homegoods. As you can see, it's really gold and plain white. It will look even better if the wall, if there was like a wallpaper on the wall. The wall was painted like maybe dark green or or jet black. I think it will really look nice. But I also love the simplicity of this painting because all you can see is that gold around the frame. Here we're mounting the TV up because I feel like when you mount the TV up, it gives it a different look, and I really wanted that TV stand to be gone because I just needed like a nice console table that I'm still shopping. So we decided to go ahead and put the curtains up. Today I'm using this one. This curtain for the other side. Can you see it from there? The curtains I'm using are from Homegoods. I think they're the Ralph Lauren's curtains. I put that on this side. So there's a little corner that I use as my office here, and I'm also gonna put the curtains there. I know it's really hard to see because of the light that's coming through the window, but the curtain is there on both sides of the area. So the first thing that me and my husband did was to basically vacuum here. We didn't show you guys, but we vacuumed here. We vacuumed here, and then we're gonna get the rug into the place. So as you can see, we're taking up the couch. It was a really hard process because we couldn't move all the couch. We had to move all the couch to the other side, but it wasn't working because the kids were there. As you can see, I'm lifting this thing. It was so heavy, but we got the rugs, and the rugs is here. I got the rugs from Homegoods. It looks really nice. I feel like the camera is not really showing you how the rugs look, but it's it has a hint of blue in it, but it has ivory white and a hint of blue. This is how the rug looks. Just wanted to show you guys, we still have a lot of space. Trying to make sure that we're not pushing the chair all the way to the wall. There's still space. So there's still space here between the wall. Go ahead and start accessorizing, put this whole look together and start throwing pillows. So I'm gonna use all the pillows I got from Homegoods. I'm gonna use this blue pillow. I don't know what color is this. It looks green, it looks blue. I just love the color though. So I'm gonna use the white and the blue on this side, and then have this. This is the look of the couch right now, and now I'm gonna just add some greenery and a little bit of touches. the finished look of this area of the room. So let's move into my little corner where I use as my office. So here, so here I'm gonna go ahead and put this bookshelf that I got from Homegoods. I got this bookshelf for $99. It looks so cute, and I'm gonna put it on this corner. Later on, maybe in our next video, we can style the bookshelf, because I really don't have that much stuff to put on the bookshelf. Right, I'm gonna put this stool here and this plant here. This plant I got from at home. See, as you can see, it's just a little simple thing. It already starts looking good. So let's put this. So I'm putting this side table and this plant here. The plant, just really quickly for the plant, I'm still looking for a nice planter or a nice pot for it, or a nice stand. Either way, I just want a nice stand for this plant. I got it from Target. If you watch my previous haul, you see that I tell you guys where I got everything that I'm using. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this basket, and this basket I got from Target. I'll put the basket on the other side of the TV, and then put in some throws, arrange it, make it look nice. That is it. I think this is a very easy, simple way to like your, yeah, is that all? Yeah, so here, is the finished look of the living room. I totally love it. You guys see this? It's beautiful, very nice, very clean, very fresh. I'm not doing too much, and I definitely did not put like and if you notice, I didn't put a coffee table here, because I really want a place where the kids can just run around and we can lay on the floor and just relax. This is honestly a living, like we're living here. So no console table, no coffee table. I mean, I decide to change that later on, but right now I think I'm gonna just stay with no coffee table. So much for watching. Please like, share, and comment on the video. Let me know what was your favorite thing about this video.